Hey, it's Dan McDonald, Life Regenerator. This is Illumination Restaurant. Gonna start over here. This is sugarcane and Kauai pharmacy tea. We'll mix that later for when the dancing starts, but for now, we're gonna start the meal with some green juice. That's a pineapple, cucumber, celery, cilantro, mint, and lime. And of course, we're gonna start the meal off with some Lifezyme from Pyridine to increase digestion, utilization, assimilation of all this wonderful food. Next, we'll be serving the veggie trays with the, this is the ranch dressing, and this is the Pyridine roasted red pepper hummus. This is the, just some bok choy. The veggie trays, 4 tables, serving 24 tonight. This is some kimchi to go with the crackers. And this is some gazpacho soup, Pyridine gazpacho with some life essentials in there to make it nice and savory. Throw a slice of these Chardwell avocados on top of the soup there. And then an assortment of 4 different types of crackers, all different types of herbs and spices. That's kind of like the bread, and I've got tons more in case we need them. This is pesto for 20 or 24, somewhere in there. Not quite exactly sure yet. And then a nice light salad will be served with the pesto. I'll put this in the middle of the plate and serve the salad around the outer edge. And I've got some nice light pickles here. I've got some pink pickles that are from the radish in there. And then these are just regular pickles with some apple cider vinegar, honey, coriander, dill, and black pepper. And then for dessert, some of the Pyridine fudge and some coconut cream there. And then just to make sure, this is the Makaleha spring water that I went and harvested myself. So a very special meal we have tonight for our guests, somewhere between 20 and 24 people. And so this is the kids' table over here. And this, of course, the artwork is Ania's work. And so I do the food and she does the key code activation. This here is the 48 key codes. So once you master all 48 key codes, then you are enlightened. And she puts the key codes on top of these coasters to activate the food. This is the key code of love, for example. You see the heart in the middle. And then we made a few different key code placemats to set the plate, to calibrate the food to a higher level. So we've already been praying over the food, blessing it. It's all raw, living, vegan, organic, local food. So it's very, very special. I don't imagine there's anything like this in the entire world. And she did all this wonderful folding of the napkins. And then there you go. So then just a nice table setting. And there we go. And then later on we'll move these tables, and then Miguel should be here any minute. He's my bandmate. We have Tribal Love Beat. And we're gonna set up right here and play some music and then move all these tables out of the way. And then we've got this dance floor here and out there. And then we'll light up the tiki torches and illuminate the place. So thanks for watching this video. And hey, give it a thumbs up if you want. Leave me a comment down below. And you know, eat more fresh, living foods. Really learn how to make wholesome foods that you find around you. You know, I know that I'm like at the top level of this kind of thing since I've spent the last, well, my whole life really, but the last 25 years mastering it. So, but anyways, fresh, living, colorful, fiber-rich foods are a true blessing to the human organism. So God bless you. Peace be with you. DTM is out.